Swimming na kayo. So ngayon po, pag-aari muna namin yung Secret Beach. Anong pangalan ng family niyo, ma'am? Salbatin. Salbatin family, shout out all the way from California to the Philippines, El Nido, Palawan. Welcome. lasing, lasing, lasing. Ah. Dito po. Sige, maglangoy-langoy na kayo.
Puro-puro. Buhangin na yung sapatos ko.
Ngayon po, mag-i-interview ako. Ano naman po ang masasabi mo sa 2 days tour na experience nyo dito sa Dos Hermanos Traveling Tours?
Priceless.
Priceless?
Priceless.
How about the service, the food, everything?
Priceless.
Priceless.
Amazing.
How about you, sir?
Very good prices too.
Okay. Kayo, sir, anong masasabi mo sa 2 days tour experience nyo dito sa Dos Hermanos Traveling Tours?
Talagang magandang experience. Service ng tour guide, the best.
Thank you so much po.
I would suggest.
Ay. May, kala ko guest, putra guest pala. Kayo po. Anong masasabi niyo, sir?
5 star!
5-star reviews. Alright, Sir Oliver, I just wanna ask, how about your 2 days tour experience here
It
on...
was really amazing. Very beautiful. Palawan's very beautiful.
Alright, how about the service that we provide?
Oh, amazing. Amazing.
English, English. Excuse me, sir. Anong pangalan niyo, ma'am? Sir Christopher, I just wanna ask you some questions. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanna ask you about your tour experience, a private tour here in Dos Hermanos
So
Traveling
far,
Tours.
it's very good. And Rose is the best guide that we've had so
Oh
far.
my God.
Yeah, easily. You're easily the funnest guy we've had. Yeah, no
Thank
question.
you.
And this is amazing. Yeah. So far, so good. We're loving it.
So here in the Philippines, when we say thank you so much, is maraming salamat. So, you know, mahal here in the Philippines? No, it's expensive.
Oh, yes. Yes.
All right. So, how about profit?
Profit?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
profit.
Profit?
Profit.
Profit.
Profit. Like you're earning something on your business. It's a profit.
Oh, yeah. This is
It's Tagalog. It's kita.
profit kita.
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 So when you combine it together, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal din kita.
Okay, I got it.
That's your man cave there. Come, look.